Debbie. New details today about the deaths of the grandparents of local rapper Honeycomb Brazy. Tony and Leila Lewis were killed 13 months ago after a shooting and fire at their home.
One of the suspects, Patrick Lewis, was in court today. News 5's Nicolette Schleisman joins us live in the studio. And Nicolette, a lot of details came out today in court.
Yeah, that's right, Peter. So detectives in this case gave testimony about audio recordings between several of the suspects reportedly planning the shootings, saying in court that the recordings are sickening. The phone recordings are reportedly between Terrence Watkins and Darren Southall, as well as Southall and Jamarcus Chambers. All three are suspects in the case. The fourth suspect, Patrick Lewis, is referenced many times. That's per Mobile Police. The state says Watkins, Lewis, and Chambers were the ones who went to the home on Dr. Thomas Avenue on February 17, 2021, and started shooting. They say Southall was encouraging them to take action.
His involvement is what we call an aider and abetter, which is that he was helping plan and organize and encouraging the three individuals that were in the car.
The state says this all began from a Facebook post from an associate of the couple's grandson, whose real name is Nashawn Jones. The state argues the post angered Watkins and he felt disrespected, so they hatched the plans. And the home was a target because it would hurt Jones.
Anyone in that house would have been a target of this attack.
The Lewis family in court hearing many of the details they say they'd never heard.
It was very gruesome. No one deserved, no one, not just because it was my family, but no one deserved to be treated like that. They had no remorse for human life at all.
The state believes two people fired the shots, Lewis and Watkins, and they say Chambers was in the car. Mobile police say they have cell phone data that puts Lewis's phone in the area around the time of the shooting before it was turned off.
But I'm not sure how that actually places him at the scene. They haven't placed the cell phone that was on the tower in his possession.
The state says the shots caused a reaction starting the massive blaze that night, but no official cause of the fire has been determined.
A likely scenario is that the gunfire resulted in the explosion of an oxygen tank, which in turn would have caused the explosion of other oxygen tanks in the house, which would lead to the fire.
And the state also alleges the suspects went to several different car dealerships and bought a car in cash specifically for this crime. Lewis's case has been bound over to the grand jury. Live in the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.